Hi everyone, it's Lovely with a wellness vlog. I say that with like is this going to be wellness? And I guess it is. I have not made a video in I think a week. And this week was intense. Um, I live in the Bay Area, San Francisco, and Oakland, representing back there. And we've been in shelter in place for a week. I think it started Monday night. So I've been not only teaching from home, but I've also been homeschooling my 9-year-old daughter. So it was a lot. It was a lot. And fortunately, I work at an independent learning school, so most of my students, well, half of my students, I'm an advisor to, and they already work most of their schoolwork at home. So all I had to do was have Zoom meetings with them. So that wasn't that big of a deal. The other half, however, are actual classes, on-site classes normally, and I had to do Zoom classes. And if any of you are parents out there, just please don't worry about anything in terms of like getting work done this first week or this first couple of weeks, really. Because, we as teachers at an independent learning school have it lucky that our kids already know the drill, have the work at home. I can't even imagine what it's like for teachers who, especially the elementary grades, because a lot of the elementary school teachers have, things that they've created that are in their classroom that they'll make copies of or they'll have an executable with, and they're all physical. It's not digital. High school teachers, at least, you've got a lot of stuff digital already, but it is still a matter of tweaking things. So anyway, this week I felt very overwhelmed. I felt a lot of pressure to shine, to perform, and a lot of this was, some of it was coming from outside of me, and a lot of it was coming from inside of me. And I am taking this weekend to sort of really come down from the week and realize that, whereas normally I'm this, person who wants to share ideas and produce content that I can put out into the world and connect with, people in different ways, I've just needed to faceplant. So I'm making this video for myself as a way to give myself license, and for all of you who might feel that there's pressure to perform, because right now it's not about performing. It really isn't. There are so many people doing so many things to help us globally get through this crisis. We don't have to do. We need to, take care. Really take care. That's what we need to do. That's the need, is to taking care. And the self-care, obviously. So I'm saying this to myself and to anyone who might need to hear this message, that there's only so much that we can do in a day. And while I'm in awe and inspired by so many people that I've been connected to over the years who are producing content, producing mindfulness, producing yoga, producing ways to help parents at home navigate home learning, I'm in awe and in total admiration for all of you who are doing this. And it is very appreciated. But for now, I'd like to get to that point where I feel like I can produce, but I'm sure not there. I'm not there. And I have people that I meet with and talk to and that are helping me to remind me that that's okay. That's more than okay. Just navigating this day to day is a triumph and what's needed. So I'm Lovely, and so are all of you. Wishing you rest and connection and mindfulness as we navigate this one day at a time.